Okay, here's a close-up look at the Skechers Women's Breathe Easy shoes. I have the black color here. There are a couple other colors you can pick from as well if you like. So let me give you a close-up look at them. So they have this cool kind of like ribbon design there on each side, and that holds the laces. It says Skechers slip-ins on this ribbon that is on both sides. It says hands-free in there. You have a bungee lace. It says Skechers right there as well. Let's see, a bit of mesh up here. You have this kind of dimple design here on the back. The back here is kind of pretty firm. Has this cushioning here right at the back of the Achilles heel area. That's really nice. And that'll help it stay in place while you're walking as well, since these are slip-in shoes. A little bit of elastic right there, so it stretches. You've got the air-cooled memory foam insole on the inside, which is nice and padded and soft. And then this insole is not removable, so just note that it is stuck in there. Then you have this heel here. So you got the rubber sole on the bottom. It's nice and sticky for some traction. You got the foam here in the midsole. It is nice and flexible. Very nice and lightweight as well. So it's going to be a super comfortable, easy shoe to slip in and out of. And very nice and lightweight. Great for walking, light hiking, etc.